Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a contact on this device. Alright, so firstly, to do this we have to open our contacts app, and now we have to just start by typing a number of our new contact, and right here we have, as you can see, create new contact option. Now right here we have to just click more details, and here we start from setting a profile picture of our contact, so we can take a photo with our camera or choose photo from gallery. So I'm gonna choose photos and I'm gonna choose this one. Here we can set first and surname, but also when we click this arrow we have here name prefix, middle name and name suffix. Here we can set a company. Right here when we have a phone number we can choose if this number is mobile, work, home, main, work fax, home fax, pager, other, or a custom label, and we can do this stuff with multiple phone numbers, as you can see. Same with email. So look here where we can set email. We can choose if this email is home, work, something other, or a whole new custom label. And here with addresses. So look, I'm gonna type some random address, and here we can set if this address is home of our contact, work address, something other, or whole new custom label. And we can also set multiple addresses. Here we can set EM, and you can choose if this is IEM, Windows Live, Yahoo, Skype, QQ, Hangouts, ICQ, Jabber, or something custom. Here we can have also a field like website, date, and you can choose if this date is birthday, anniversary, something other, or whole new custom label. Here we have relationship, and we can choose if this is for our contact assistant, brother, child, domestic partner, father, friend, manager, mother, parent, partner, referred by, relative, sister, spouse, or custom label. And here also we have zip, notes, and we can create a whole new custom label. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!